The Nitro Infuser module quickly connects in line with your existing draft system. The infuser turns a keg of flat cold brew into the perfectly poured nitro coffee on the fly. This video will walk you through installing the Nitro Infuser on your existing draft system. Begin by locating where you would like the infuser to be placed in your fridge, and use the double-sided Velcro tape to mount in the desired location. Locate your draft line coming from your nitro faucet. If you already have a disconnect or coupler attached to it, simply clip it off, but make sure you have a long enough hose to reach to where the infuser module will be mounted. Next, connect your liquid line to the in barb on the left side of the infuser module. This will be your liquid line coming from your keg. Next, connect your gas line out. This will be the gas line that will connect to your keg and pressurize it. Next, you will connect your gas line into the infuser. This will be the gas line coming from your regulator. Last, connect your liquid line coming from your nitro faucet. Once all the hoses are secured with Oetiker clamps or warm clamps, you can put the infuser module onto the Velcro pad. Set the pressure on your regulator going to the infuser module to around 35 psi. Connect the liquid and gas lines to your keg of flat cold brew. Open the shutoff valve going to your keg completely. Note that on the newer generations of these infusers, there is no shutoff valve in that position. Then adjust the left shutoff valve to around 30% open. Your first time using the Nitro Infuser, you'll need to pour a couple drinks to prime the unit. Once primed, you're all set to start turning flat cold brew coffee into the perfect nitro coffee. Check out part 2 of this video for adjusting the Nitro Infuser for the perfect cup of nitro coffee.